Leaky gutters at the hangers or brackets can wreck your whole drainage system and cause serious damage if you don't fix them right away. So first off, you want to check all your gutter hangers and brackets for any looseness. Sometimes they just need a good tightening to stop the leaks. If tightening doesn't do the trick, it's probably time to swap out any rusty or broken hardware with fresh stuff you can grab at the hardware store. Make sure you use stainless steel or coated screws so they don't corrode fast. Also, keep an eye on the seal around the hangers. Sometimes old caulk or sealant cracks and lets water sneak through. You can clean the area, dry it well, and apply a waterproof sealant made for gutters to patch it up. Another tip is to check that your gutters are properly sloped so water flows smoothly to the downspouts, because standing water can stress the hangers and cause leaks. And don't forget to clear out leaves and debris regularly, since clogs add weight and strain to these spots. Finally, if your gutters are really old or damaged beyond repair, consider replacing the whole section for long-term peace of mind. One of the biggest problems with gutters leaking at hangers or brackets is ignoring the issue until it gets worse, which leads to water damage on your home's siding or foundation. Fix this early by inspecting your gutters every season. Another common mistake is using the wrong kind of screws or fasteners that rust quickly. Always pick corrosion-resistant hardware to keep things tight and dry. Lastly, people often forget to reseal joints and hangers after repairs, which means leaks pop up again soon. Make sure to apply a quality waterproof sealant after fixing or replacing any parts for a lasting solution. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners who want to find trusted local contractors without all the hassle or guesswork. It also helps contractors get steady work by connecting them with people in their area looking for reliable pros.